Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 424 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Singapore has reported on Project Ubin, that's its blockchain payments platform. Telefonica, Deutsche Telekom, and Vodafone have finalized a joint blockchain trial, and the G20 is readying to accept digital payments. But just before we dive into today's show, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or even leave us a review. And I also recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, as well as the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, both of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so a joint report from Singapore's central bank, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, or MAS, along with Temasek, which is a government-owned holding company, was released today and announced the successful conclusion of the fifth and final phase of its blockchain payments platform, Project Ubin. Supnendu Mahanti, the chief fintech officer at MAS, said, quote, "As with all innovation adoption, there is a time for experimentation and a time for commercialization. Project Ubin has worked with the financial industry and blockchain community on a journey of experimentation, prototyping, and learning. This has built a strong foundation of knowledge, expertise, and experience, and paved a path towards commercial adoption. Following the successful experimentation over 5 phases, we look forward to greater adoption and live deployment of blockchain technology." End quote. Chaya Song Hui, the deputy chief executive officer at Temasek, said, quote, "Blockchain technology has great potential in transforming businesses and opening up new business opportunities. Phase 5 of Project Ubin has demonstrated the commercial applicability, viability, and benefits of blockchain technology across industries, beyond capital markets and trade finance. This validates Temasek's efforts in exploring and building blockchain solutions focusing on digital identity, digital currencies, and financial asset tokenization. We look forward to supporting commercialization efforts emanating from Project Ubin and other application areas with a view to drive greater adoption of blockchain technology." End quote. Telefonica, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol TEF, Deutsche Telekom, which trades on the OTC under the ticker symbol DTEGY, and Vodafone, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol VOD, all of whom are telecom giants from Spain, Germany, and the UK respectively, have finalized a joint trial blockchain solution for the settlement of roaming discount agreements, according to an article from Cointelegraph. The solution, which is expected to reduce capital costs for telcos, support faster revenue recognition, and provide more efficient settlement for their intercompany deals and workflows, was developed by blockchain startup Clear. Sharif Bakir, the CEO of Vodafone Roaming Services, explained, quote, "With new, more complex technologies like 5G and IoT being introduced, even more radical innovation in roaming will take digitalization to the next level. Vodafone believes that blockchain is the solution, and its use will lay the foundation for further sustained innovation. Clear's solution is a solid demonstration of blockchain's benefits." End quote. And finally, Japanese media outlet Kyodo reports that the G20 is gearing up to accept digital payments with further discussion on subjects like regulation to prevent money laundering and so on, set for October. This decision is being made in part as a reaction to China's development of a digital yuan and Facebook's Libra project. Facebook, by the way, trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol FB. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.